You must know by now that we are fans of plaid. Introducing our Happy Plaids bundle. Our plaid background stamp is one of our favorites, so we created another set to step up the plaid game. This one has 4 images that allow you to create so many different plaid looks that will really work all year long. It's great for Christmas, but it works all year long. We created a Happy Holidays label die to coordinate with it too. The rounded corners and the stitched edge really soften the lines of the plaid. Plus you get a cute little acorn and a sprig in here too. Let me just kind of show you some examples of how this works. Okay, so this right here is like a dashed line. And if you just stamp it, really what you can do is if you just set it like in your MISTI and you stamp your middle section down first, then just move your paper over an inch and stamp it again, move it that direction an inch, and then turn your paper and do the same thing. You'll get this cute plaid look like this. Okay, that is just using this row right here, and it has this is one image, these 3 dashed lines. And it's really cute because when they intersect, they get like a little crosshatch, okay? Now, if you take and add this line to it, so you start out with your base, and then you're gonna add this line. Okay, you're just gonna do it in between those. And you're gonna get this plaid, which just steps it up a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna add to this. Then you've got this line right here, which is just a double single line. Okay, that fits in between. So like these 2 lines fit in between these 2 stamps. So it's gonna fit in between there, which I'll show you right here. So see, these 2 lines fit in between those 3 dashed lines. And so you can just stamp those down and again, step up your plaid. So you've got 3 different examples there where you can step that up. Okay, now let's show you what we've done here is we've actually used these solid lines and then stamped the dash over the top. Okay, and then so you've got the solid green first, and then you have the dashed lines, and you can kind of, if I get really close, you can see the texture in there. And then just stamped it out the same with these lines here, and then the solid stripes in between theirs. So that gives you an even different look than this one. And then you've got these 3 solid, again, that if you just use the solid and stamp your plaid, look how cute that looks in those reds, and it's just tone on tone, but when they cross over each other, you get that little crosshatch because of the ink saturation. So look, you have many different plaids, and that's just the beginning of what you can do with this. Okay, so there's the stamping part, and I also wanted to show you this fun label die. Okay, so when you die cut it out like this, you get those rounded edges with that cute stitched border. Okay, now you also have this Happy Holidays. Now this is connected, so when you die cut it out, okay, you've got your Happy and Holidays, and it looks like they do fall out separate. This die is connected, but they fall out separate, so you can actually do it in different colors. So you've got that. Another option is in the stamp set, you've got the word Happy. So you can take Happy and stamp it down, and then take your die cut Holidays and add it over the top. So here you're mixing your stamping and your die cutting together. You may also be wondering what this line is for in the set. Okay, you can either say Happy Birthday or Happy Holidays, because again, this plaid set is gonna work beyond the holidays. So what this line is for is just to kind of block that sentiment in, give it a little border. Okay, and then I wanted to show you, you've also got this cute little sprig die, and it makes these, obviously you need some winter sprigs. And then this adorable little acorn die, so if you can see it, it's got these it's got texture on it. So when you die cut it out, that's really hard to see, there you go. You can see that there's these little bits of texture. And it also allows you, if you want to, you can actually manipulate it and kind of like tuck your fingernail under there and just give those a little boost, okay? And then here is what the tag looks like if you die cut the whole thing and you add your little cute little pine cone and your sprigs at the bottom. Okay, So let me show you some examples using these. Okay, again, this is just the basic 3, and we've added the cute little sprigs, and this Mary is from our Merry and Bright dies. So cute, and you can actually probably really make a lot of these quickly. Then we have used this, the solid stripes, and look, we've stamped it once, twice, and it looks like a gift package. And then we've added the pine cones and the sprigs, just made it like a cute little gift package on your card. This one is the one that stepped up, so you've got, you know, your plaid stamped down in your reds and greens, and then your black, and then added that fun label die on the top with the acorns and the sprigs and happy holidays. Now here's what I meant when I said this can also be a birthday set, and you can use this plaid all year long. Like, we didn't even create it into a plaid, we just used these dashed stripes and stamped them down in different colors, and then put a happy birthday message on the front. Okay, so now do you see why another plaid set was necessary? How will you plaid all the things?